At this point of time, it's very, very important that you stay stable and you don't let your emotions overpower your preparation, because whatever has happened has happened. Your goal should only be clearing December 2021 exams. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. I hope you're good, well and preparing for your December 2021 exams. Whether you are CA student, CS student or CMA student, all the exams are going to be held in December 2021. So I hope you all are preparing for that. Now, as we know that ICSI released the results yesterday for our CS Foundation, Executive and Professional students. So my heartiest congratulations to all the students who have cleared, and to all those who didn't clear, it's okay, you will make it the next time, that is December 2021 exams. Now in this video today we will discuss that once results are out, what to do next. I will be telling you 3 steps to do once your results are out and they have been released or declared yesterday. So the first and foremost thing you have to do is file your exam forms for December 2021 attempt. Now you must be knowing that the announcement in which the result date was announced, it clearly mentioned that result forms will be opened from 14th onwards, that is from today only. So make your decision. If you have cleared, in which module you're going to sit next, and if you have not cleared, again in which module you're going to sit next. That should be your foremost decision and you should take it as soon as possible. You know, if you have not decided it yet, then decide it as soon as possible. Take a day or two, but not more than that. Decide and fill your exam forms. I would urge you to not wait for the last days to file the forms, because that is not the right way. And all of us know that sometimes when we reach the last dates, the sites crash, and even the institutes urge you to file the forms on time. So do that. Otherwise, there could be the situation that you would have to file it alongside the late fee, which nobody of us wants, right? So if you know that yes, I'm going to sit for December 2021, then I would urge you to file the form as soon as possible. And once you have filed the forms, the second thing is make a timetable. Make a timetable for your preparation, because it's very, very important. At this point of time, it's very, very important to stay stable and don't let your emotions overpower your preparation, because either you have cleared or not cleared. In both the situations, that is the moment of past, right? And now we have to look for future. Now we have to plan for future. And if you want to do that, you will have to think about December 2021, not about the results. You have to leave the thinking, the emotions that came with the results that came yesterday, and plan about the future that is going to be ahead in December 2021. Obviously, if you have cleared, you would be happy. If you have not cleared, you would be sad. But that doesn't mean that you would let your happiness or your sadness, overpower your preparation of December 2021. In both the scenarios, you could definitely harm your results of December 2021. So make sure that what has happened. Leave it in the past and move to the future. Think about December 2021. Make a new timetable. If you didn't clear, definitely find new strategies, find new ways, find new approaches to make it happen this time. And the third step, start your preparation from today only. Don't wait. Every moment, every second is super precious, because you know that December is really near. So don't waste your time. Don't form your opinions of what has happened. Don't waste your time discussing what was the pass percentage, what has happened, what is right, what is wrong. I think the need of the hour is your preparation for December 2021 exams, right? So these are the 3 steps that you should start from today. For all the students whose results have released yesterday, file the exam form, make a timetable and start your preparation. Because now thinking about the past will not do anything. Thinking about the past will not help you anyway in the future. So leave the past and think about the future. Your goal should only be clearing December 2021 exams, right? So this is how you should start your preparation from today only. All the best from my side. Start your preparation. And for all the students who are going to sit in December 2021, I wish you luck. I wish you best wishes that you clear in December 2021. in whatever modules you are sitting. So I just wanted to communicate these 3 essential steps that you all should start from today onwards. Don't waste your time. Time is very precious. December is really near, right? So yes, start your preparation. My best wishes are with you. I hope this video would help you in starting your preparation. Just boost up your morale, motivate yourself, make a routine, make a plan and stick to it and clear this time in December 2021 exams, right? I hope this video will help you. I hope that I could motivate you a bit in starting your preparation for December 2021. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Share this video with your friends as well so that they could also get a little bit of motivation and the tips and tricks that I share on this video. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. All the links will be in the description box below. Bye.